Hey grade 7s, today we are going to be talking about perpendicular bisectors. Alright, so last day we were talking about perpendicular lines, which is where one line intersects with another one at 90 degrees. This lesson is talking about perpendicular bisectors. So when we think about it, bi means cut into two, or sorry, bi means two. To dissect something or to sect something means to cut into two, so to cut. So what we're actually doing is we're taking our line and we're cutting it into two even pieces, but we're doing it perpendicularly. Okay, so that means we have a line that's going to cut through. So similar to what I said last time in ways that we can determine if a line is perpendicular, is we can fold it. Okay, if we fold it, that also tells us where our perpendicular bisector is because the middle point is going to be directly in half. Okay, it's going to be at the half point. All right. Another way that we can do it is we can actually draw two sets of parallel lines. Okay. So two sets of parallel lines. So what's going to happen is if I have a big ruler or something like that, and I have a line, a set of parallel lines. Hi, Charlie. You want to say hi to everyone first? Say hi. Okay. Okay, go play. All right. So if I have a set of parallel lines that's running like this, and then I have a second set of parallel lines that's running like this. Okay, so I've created kind of what looks like a diamond. Okay, assuming that they're actually parallel and I've got it angled right. Okay, my perpendicular bisector will be there, which means that the amount of space on this side is going to be the same as the amount of space on this side, and that this is a 90-degree angle. This is how I would be able to symbolically represent that I have a perpendicular bisector, that I have this side length is equal to this side length, and I have a 90-degree angle. So here's my 90-degree angle. All right. So similar, the other one that I was talking about in the last lesson as well to figure out if you have a perpendicular line is if you have A and B and you take your compass and you draw kind of a semicircle and then you draw another kind of a semicircle where they intersect, assuming that your base point was here, is going to create your perpendicular bisector. So you're saying that this side length and this side length are even. Okay? So that I can pictorially understand when you're doing it in your project, you're going to want to put that these are even for your perpendicular bisector. That's how you're going to show me that they're the same. All right. That's it for today's lesson. It's a short one. Once again, if you have questions, you can send me a Hangout message. You can get onto Zoom. You can send me an email. Whatever you need to get a hold of me, I'm available throughout the day to answer your questions. And then make sure that you go into your project and that you're adding perpendicular bisectors if you don't already have them. Once again, similar to the perpendicular lines, the bisectors don't have to go through the line. You just are basically cutting it off. So you're showing where it would intersect so that the other two sides of your initial line are cut in half. All right. Any questions? Like I said, let me know. Enjoy your day.